What's going on, y'all? Showing the Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge. You have c to the negative 3 halves is equal to x, and we want to know what is c in terms of x. So all that means is that instead of having x equals something, we want what c is equal to. And of course, it's going to be in terms of x, meaning it's going to be something, some numbers, and then x on that side. Okay, so let's do this. Let's rewrite it first. So c to the negative 3 halves equals x. Now, to undo this negative 3 halves power, remember the exponent rule that if you have some number to a power and then you raise that to a power, it's the same as multiplying the exponents. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise this to the negative 2/3 power. So when you multiply those and that becomes positive 1, whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side, right? And so then that becomes c is equal to x to the negative 2/3. All right. Now, I want to kind of clean this up a bit. So I'm going to rearrange it. So remembering the exponent rule that says something to a negative power is essentially equal to that same number to a positive power in a denominator. C becomes 1 over x to the 2/3. Okay. And then also remember this that says if you have something to a fractional power, that's the same as the nth root of that same number to whatever the numerator power is, whatever the numerator, in this case is 1. So this becomes 1 over the third root of x squared. Okay. Now, we don't typically like to have, you know, a radical in the denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by this. So it's going to be by the same thing. That's called rationalizing the denominator. Okay. And so then whenever you multiply those, oh, actually, I would have to multiply it again because it's the third root. So whenever you multiply x squared, okay, so then that becomes, let's see, the third root. So that's x to the 2/3 times x to the 2/3, x to the 2/3. So this becomes, in the denominator, we're going to have x squared. And then here we're going to have x to the 2/3 times x. That's going to be x to the 4/3. So the cube root of x to the 4th. Okay. So here is a version of our final answer. You know, you could also say 1 over x to the 2/3, as we said. You could also say 1 over the cube root of x squared, but we don't typically like to have that there. But let me know what you got, or whatever form you got your answer in. Let me know what you got. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.